Hi there. Let's go through a quick walkthrough on how to enroll an institutionally owned Apple Watch in your Jamf Pro server. By enrolling an Apple Watch in Jamf Pro, admins can verify device information, share Wi-Fi configurations, enforce passcode policies, and more. For example, when pairing an Apple Watch to an iPhone with a passcode profile installed, the Apple Watch will need to meet the same passcode requirements. The enrollment process involves pairing an institutionally owned Apple Watch running watchOS 10 or later with a managed and supervised iPhone running iOS 17 or later. To enable watchOS enrollment for all iPhones, from the Jamf Pro dashboard, navigate to Devices, Smart Device Groups, All Managed iPhones. If you want to enable this feature for a smaller subset of iPhones, you can choose a different smart group here. Click Edit on the bottom right, and then click the Automated Management tab. Under Apple Watch Enrollment, enable Allow Apple Watch Enrollment, then click Save. Now, with a phone that's enrolled for management and supervised, let's enroll an Apple Watch. Because enrollment happens during the process of pairing a watch to iPhone, start by opening the Watch app and begin the pairing process. During the pairing process, you'll see a familiar remote management screen. Select Allow Remote Management, then continue pairing the iPhone and Apple Watch. The rest of the pairing process remains the same as pairing a watch without management. Through the magic of video editing, I'm going to fast forward through the rest of the process. With our watch enrolled, let's head back to Jamf Pro. Navigate to Search Inventory and search for all devices by just clicking Search. I could select the Apple Watch from the list of all enrolled devices, but let's select the iPhone it was paired to so we can see the new section under the Inventory tab called Paired Devices. Here, we can see all devices paired with this iPhone. If I click on the Apple Watch, I'll see its inventory record, where I can verify information such as OS version and serial number. On the Management tab, we can perform management commands such as Clear Passcode or Unmanaged Device. Please note, unlike other devices, if the unmanaged device command is sent to an Apple Watch, it will reset the device, erasing all of the data and getting it ready to be paired with an iPhone again. For a complete list of requirements and current watchOS management capabilities, take a look at the link in the resources. Thanks for watching.